Imani, she's a designer. She's called Imani. She called me. She's like, I'm working on Mommy Deb's clothes and whatever wedding.
Yeah.
And I feel like you're the right person to dress the groom because I love your touch. And I'm like, oh, I'm interested. We can do it.
Yeah.
I love the idea.
Yeah.
You understand? So we went for a meeting. When we met, I had to sketch what I had in mind for the wedding. I showed Michael a couple of sketches. We did some changes to his personality. And yeah, we came up with those two looks.
Yeah.
First was the maroon look. I still have it in my head.
Yeah, that's the one that
It broke the internet. Michael looked amazing.
Such a stunning look.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Those looks, I still dream about them. It was such an experience.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy Deb. It was such an amazing experience. Yeah.